Not all sugars are created equal. That's right, delve into the world of sweeteners and you'll find an array of options, each with its unique taste and health benefits. Regular sugar, the kind we often spoon into our morning coffee or sprinkle on our cereal, is a simple carbohydrate, providing quick energy but not much else. Consumed in excess, it can contribute to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health problems. On the other hand, natural sweeteners are a different story. They're derived from various plant and fruit sources and offer a little something extra. Let's take honey for instance. It's not just a sweet treat. It's packed with antioxidants and can help soothe a sore throat. Or consider pure maple syrup, a product of the mighty maple tree, rich in manganese and riboflavin. And don't forget about coconut sugar, boasting a lower glycemic index than regular sugar and a good source of potassium. Then there's the sweet surprise of stevia, a zero-calorie sweetener derived from a plant native to South America. It's up to 200 times sweeter than sugar, but doesn't raise blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice for those watching their weight or managing diabetes. And who could ignore the charm of agave? This sweetener, extracted from the same plant that gives us tequila, is sweeter than sugar, meaning you can use less of it. Plus, it's a vegan-friendly alternative to honey. Yes, the world of natural sweeteners is as diverse as it is delightful, but remember, no matter how natural, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something as wholesome as honey or maple syrup, can tip the scales of a balanced diet. So, why not give these natural sweeteners a try? Swap your regular sugar for some raw honey in your tea, or drizzle some maple syrup over your pancakes. You might just find a new favorite and your body will thank you. And hey, if you're enjoying these health tips and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more sweet insights to share. To sum it up, not all sugars are created equal, but with a sprinkle of knowledge and a dash of moderation, you can sweeten your life with natural alternatives that not only taste good, but do good for your body too. So, go on. Explore the world of natural sweeteners. Your taste buds and your health will thank you.